Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday and I wanted to say hi to everyone. How are you doing today? Please leave me comments on what you're working on. I would love to see your crochet projects today. I finished a few projects that I want to share with you today. A few things on the list that I have here I want to talk about. I'm feeling good today. I did some type of wave to my hair. I ended up braiding my hair and then sleeping in it, and it kind of came out like this. And then I also did full glam because I was just feeling cute today. Might delete later. Just kidding. But anyway, I was feeling good, and so I wanted to just hop on here and say hello. As you can see, I have a cute little cardigan that I finished, and I want to talk about that. This past weekend, we had our micro fashion event. That was so much fun. You guys really, the participation is so great in these group events. If you are unfamiliar with what we do each month in my group on Facebook, we have events that we host, and it's in the group events. So if you join YARNutopia World on Facebook, don't worry, I'll put the link in the description of this video so you can hit join. Once you answer the 3 initial questions, I will approve you into the group, and then you can go to the events tab and join the events that we host. We are in the works of planning August's monthly event right now, so we have not posted it yet, but by August 1st you shall see the event, and I'll hopefully try to invite everybody. Facebook sometimes gets a little like they don't want me spamming people, so I can't invite everybody at once. But if you see the event, I will repost the event, so even if you did not get an invite, you can still join it. It's just for the event, or for the group members in YARNutopia World. I'll put all the information in the description of this video so you can check it out, and hopefully join us for our next event. But this past weekend we had our micro fashion weekend event, which was anything baby related. So we were crocheting anything for babies, and I made a cardigan, the Offbeat cardigan for Nasser. My mom came up with this fabulous design. What she usually does is she does a bunch of research, and then she draws, like, she's such an amazing artist, and she draws out the picture of what it should look like, and color changes and striping and how the front and back should look, and then I just crochet what her picture looks like. Pretty awesome that we are like a good team. But this is what it looks like. Now, I have not filmed a tutorial on this yet. I just wrote the crochet pattern and posted it on YARNutopia.com. So if you go to YARNutopia and search Offbeat baby cardigan, this will pop up. You can see the striping design, looks really cool. This fit Nasser. It's actually a tad big on him. I want it to fit him through the fall and winter. So it is a little bit big on him. I would say it would be like a 2T size, like a toddler size. But if you want it smaller, you can use a smaller crochet hook. I used an H size crochet hook. So if you wanted to make it a little bit smaller for like a 9-month-old baby, you could use a G or even an F size crochet hook. And I just used this Brava yarn by We Crochet. This is a different color, but same material. Here is denim. Oh, here it is. So I used this denim in Brava, as you can see, and it's just like a straight polyester, what is this, 100% acrylic, size 4 medium yarn. That's what I used. I am in the process of making another one for my niece in pink and green, which I have in Mighty Stitch, Knit Picks Mighty Stitch. So this is the green, and then I have the pink here. Look at how shocking these are, but they are going to look so cute in a little girl sweater or a little girl cardigan. So I'm going to make the Offbeat cardigan in these colors, and they will be matching. So you can use Mighty Stitch. This is a little bit softer, a little bit shinier, a little bit more shocking. Or you can use the Brava yarn that I used for my original one here. And it's just so cute and stripy. It's so fun. So we did this for the event, and usually for the events that we do each month, I try to release a new pattern for each event, and so this was that for that. So it was a lot of fun. So join my events on our Facebook group, YARNutopia World, and that was a really great project. The other project I did release on last week Friday for Free Pattern Friday was this hat, the Stadium Pom Hat. I am a huge Packer fan. I live in Wisconsin, originally from Green Bay. So I had to make the green and gold colors, but you can make these in any colors you want. Even if you're not a sports person, you can just make 2 colors, or you can do it all solid colors. But it is using the herringbone half double crochet stitch, and that was a lot of fun. Again, I do not have a tutorial yet for this one, but we will film it and post it up on the YouTube very soon. But I've been, just crocheting like crazy and putting up patterns just written, but I know a lot of you really like the tutorials, so I will film with my dad. I'm going to actually go there on Friday to my parents' house, and we are going to film for sure this cardigan, and if we have time, we'll film this hat as well. So these are the 2 projects we have going that need video tutorials. I also have a rainbow clutch that also needs a video tutorial for it. Make sure to check out these patterns on YARNutopia.com. They're for free on the website, so you can check those out. And I am in the works right now of working with lace. I know, I just have so many crochet projects on the hook right now. I'm so loving this. I'm working on a tank top, okay? And it is working with this. This is Curio yarn, Curio cotton by, I believe it's We Crochet. Yeah, Knit Picks We Crochet. And this is like a mustard yellow. Look at it, matches my dress. But it is, we're using this netting style to make a tank top. Very summery, very flowy, very loose fitted. I'll just show you this part. It's just the beginning stages right now, but it is going to be so fabulous when I finish. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm working on that right now. So those projects, so I have to make that cardigan for my niece in the Offbeat cardigan, and I have to work on that tank top. And then, super exciting, my mom and I were talking, because you know my mom designs all the crochet pieces that I make. So she and I were talking about designs and coming up with Halloween costumes. Oh my gosh, fall is around the corner. I start super early. You know this, every year Halloween is so epic, and I can't believe we're talking about it now. But it is going to be really fast. We're going to come up on Halloween. So I cannot wait to share with you the pieces and the projects that we are going to be as a family. Me, Nate, and Nasser are all going to be, I can't even tell you yet, but I'm so excited for it. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so awesome. So it is going to be super epic. Every year we go all out, and you know how it is over here with Halloween. So this year we're going to go a little nuts. And it's gonna be fun. I'm so excited. My mom came up with a bunch of designs, and I have like I think 6 or 7 pieces to crochet, and then the rest we add, you know, other mediums, different fabrics, different pieces of clothing, different accessories to our costumes. So it's not 100% crocheted, it's just parts and pieces of our costumes are crocheted, and I can't tell you what it is yet, but we will be making and releasing those in the coming months. I mean, Halloween's just around the corner, fall is here almost, as I'm like sweating in here. It's like 80 degrees outside right now. But yeah, I'm really excited about that. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to talk about this time. For our Halloween projects, I'm going to be using a lot of Lion Brand yarns. This is Lion Brand. Probably go with like basic stitch, or I could do We Crochet. The Brava worsted is a great great material to work with. But I really am liking this basic stitch by Lion brand. It's just a really nice acrylic, anti-pilling, it's light, it's not too hot. So yeah, I think I'm gonna work with Lion brand yarns for a majority of our costumes for Halloween. So I'm really excited about that. So that is really everything I wanted to talk about today. Feeling pretty good today. I might take Nasser out by the Mississippi River. There's a nice little trail and it's nice and breezy over there, so I might take him out today, and he's napping right now. So he's so fun. He's just amazing. I say that every week, but he's the best. So yeah, last weekend we had our micro fashion event, so make sure to join the next month's event when I post it, and join our group YARNutopia World. I made this Offbeat cardigan, so I'll be working on that, and we're going to be filming the tutorial for this on Friday. I also shared the Stadium Pom Hat, so make sure you check that out, and we are working on next month's event, and I'll be filming on Friday. I hope to see you next week, and thank you so much for watching, and stay safe out there, make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Happy hooking!